It farted. Burp, burp. Ice cream on him. Hit alarm clock, time to get up for him. Alright, little hamsters don't smack it. Aw, little hamsters don't smack their nose on stuff. Watch, it's gonna smack its nose, see? Little hamsters don't do that. This one's not good. See, smacked his nose. He's good hero. He's gonna smack. Little hamsters don't do any of that stuff. This one's dead. He keeps going in the starter set. I don't know where the toy ball is that you can see now. He said he can't climb up the slide. There we go. I'll help him. There, he's down. There he is. He didn't detect those things. But anyways, he's on. It's hard for him to get off for some reason. Because it doesn't back up like that, the wheel. Whoa. There. Oh, he's stuck. He explores now, because he got out. Now he wants to go up, and he doesn't even work. Yeehaw!